pooped out on
No
us.
signal. Absolutely nothing.
No, we have signal.
I mean, we have signal, but
Don't know
nothing.
Hey, Google Maps. I got this. Here.
Traffic jam when
You
we're
were
already
already
late. Day one, we're here, we're at Starved Rock. It's brutal, guys. It's pretty near 100 degrees out, and there's spiders. I mean, I'm not even gonna show it. I don't even want to keep that for memory. Got the tent up though. That's, all right, we're at Matthiessen Park. It's gorgeous in here. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, my heart. This is so worth it.
Oh my goodness.
So good.
I don't even have the spot. Alright, how do you turn it around on here?
Here it is.
We're getting close. Look at this beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
Beautiful little, what would you call this? A glen, a gorge,
They call it a dell here.
a dell?
I would accept
State Park?
I would accept gorge. I would accept canyon. I would accept what's the other thing? Glen. But I guess it's a dell. They call this the lower dell.
Oh snap.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna get good.
Oh, it's a multi-level. So we're in a cave thing. There's, hold on, I'm documenting because we gotta, okay, so there's a cave wrapped around to another cave room. And there's, oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay. There's the waterfall, multi-levels. Here's one happy camper.
It's a happy camper.
Can we go up
This
here?
is,
I need you to come in, Linda.
oh, maybe I go this way.
I'll be behind you. Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh.
So now it wraps around again into another room. And then I'm doing it. Y'all to help me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, God, I'm gonna faint.
Oh my god.
I don't think my heart can take this.
My phone doesn't even know how to capture it. Color is in here.
Holy hot, man. Oh, man, we just saw the coolest thing of our lives. See it back there? Matthiessen Park. I think it's Matthiessen. I don't think it's Matthiessen. Oh, look at this. Look at it. Oh, don't do it on a filter, honey boo boo child. Don't do it on a filter. Hey. The smile is real, guys. And I sing, oh, Jehovah, my God, the work of your hands fills us with love. I sing.
Y'all, this is just amazing.
Hey, can I climb up there? Are you gonna yell at me?
Where are you climbing?
Are you gonna yell at me? I don't know.
Up there? No. Where did you get this?
Alright.
No. We're off with a friend. She doesn't listen to me. She's gonna fall. She's gonna crack her head open, and I'm gonna have to somehow figure out how to tell the ambulances where to go to from here. I think pretty excited. I don't even think they can. They'll have to helicopter in here. She thinks this is really cool though. I mean, oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna be totally. I don't know what the top stuff. You think it's something? Oh yeah. Oh, that was good. That was really cool.
Alright, Lexi. Here's what you're missing. As you can tell from the stepping stones, there was a trail here. There's a trail, a definite trail. Look at this. People walk it all the time. All the time. Look at her. Look at you. The look of disappointment on your face. You can't control me. You ain't my mama. Here's waterfall. Okay. here's where it gets good. Okay. Whew, I'm out of breath. We've got layer and layer of just cascading miniature waterfalls. Isn't this just gorgeous? I think. So I'm gonna find a fish a different way. You're probably hating me for leaving you alone right now. Okay, look at this. This is where it gets good, I think. Look at this. It's just gorgeous, Lexi. If anybody else sees this video and knows I'm watching you, they're gonna kill me. I better delete it. Look at this. Oh my grandpa. It's so gorgeous. There's more. Oh, my heart can't take all this beauty in one sitting. Okay. Oh my goodness. Keep going. But my goal is to find out a way for you to see this, because it is too beautiful not to see. And I think I found it. Possibly a trail. Another trail that leads to this. Up here. I don't know, maybe not. But this is so cool. So pretty. So at least you get to see it through video. Okay, I'm sure take pictures.
Lexi's mad at me. Oh my god, I left her back there. She takes so slow. Lexi. You're so slow. I can't take you anywhere. What? I thought it was a blood. There's my backpack straw. What do you have to say for yourself? I have to say, this is the best place in the world.
Look at this. It is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. It just, oh my goodness, I can't handle it. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's. I know. I'm not gonna believe I can't do it, Jana. I can't even handle it.
Oh, Jana. That's not possible. We don't need to shower tonight.
Okay, so we were just bathing and taking in the awe-inspiring wonders that is, I'm not going to go on my phone, but that,
Drinking it.
drinking it. We thought it was the fountain of youth, so we drank it. And now, we come to find out it comes from this little ditty. Look at that. Look at that apple. Yummy. So good.
Oh, here it is, Lexi. Alright, we're back at the campground. I mean the campsite. JJ's making, huh? I know, I'm just showing the setup. JJ making fire. Making fire.
Lexi looks beautiful.
What?
She doesn't sweat, she glitters.
Glisten.
And look at those wonderful camping lights behind.
86 in the shade.
What?
Heat index of 105. Day 2.
105 units.
I'm just...
There will never be another time for this preaching.
I like felt like something was crawling on my forehead right now. That was probably your sweat dripping down your face. But thanks for ruining my video.
Alright, Dave. What is it?
It's day 42.
42 and a half.
And we're still stuck.
It's at a ripe 2:40 in the morning.
It's stifling.
The humidity in here. It's just been uncanny. We're
You should actually cut the humidity with a knife.
with the knife. We tried it.
We
It worked.
did it.
It's
I can't take it anymore.
had a good start tonight, but it's finishing off a little rocky.
We don't know how much longer we can make
I
this.
think we're gonna have to soon call it. I don't know.
Yeah. I think that we'll have to get their helicopters in pretty soon here.
Yeah. All right.
It's been real.
It's been real.
Last hike of this trip.
Yeah, to see if we make it. I put near her.
But it's in the shade. I don't think it's too bad. Lexi's dying, but
in the shade, it's nice 100 degrees.
it's nice.
It's a nice cooling.
A nice refreshing 100. Yeah, it should be fun. It's supposed to be a really pretty hike.
Gotta be worth it.
How are you feeling?
I feel tired. Can't wait to sleep.
We're in Wisconsin.
Yeah.
I look like I'm burnt. I got red.
You do like a little. Not bad.
So what was your? We had to heat the place in itself.
Oh, I would like to spend more time there. I think that we really missed out on Starved Rock. I'd like to go back and experience more of the trails
Yeah.
and do Matthiessen all over again. Like
But it's cooler. It was really.
just even 20 degrees cooler.
Yeah.
I'm not asking. I'm just asking for mid 70s.
But what we saw was gorgeous and it was fun. Besides the heat index of 1,000.
Truth.
All right. Signing off.
Peace out.